here we go. Round 2, day 3. Let's get to it, huh? All right, so number 3, looking at some word problems now. Oh my goodness, word problems and math. You're crazy, Mr. Ross. Yeah, I know. So, you bought a magazine for $7 and 3 erasers. You spent a total of $19. How much did each eraser cost? So, let's take a look at this first. What are we solving for? Like, what don't we know in this problem? And that's what the question is asking us. How much did each eraser cost? So first, we're just going to define our variable. So step 1. In other words, I'll put, what are we solving for? And in this case, what are we solving for? We're solving for what? The cost of each eraser. So now in blue, I'll put cost of each, underline that, eraser. Alrighty, so far so good. Now, in order to do this, there is some mental math we could do, yes. But we're going to take the ideas now of solving two-step equations to help us with creating a formula to solve for the cost of an eraser. So an everyday problem that goes on here, we can actually use two-step equations. So let's make our equation, shall we? Let's take a look here. Now, we bought a magazine for $7. That's not changing. Like, that's the given. We know that we got a magazine and it was $7. So let's just start by simply writing down the 7. Because this 7 will represent the magazine we bought for $7. And also, we bought 3 erasers. Now think, this is total. So we're adding up these costs. If we're going to the mall, we're buying, let's say, a pair of Nike sneakers, and we're buying a nice pair of Lucky Brand jeans, we're going to be combining those total because we're adding it up. It's our total purchase. So 7 plus our 3 erasers. But do we know how much each eraser costs? No, we don't actually. So what we've been doing in algebra is solving for variables. And variables are our unknowns. So our unknown in this case will be x. So 7 plus 3x, because we bought 3 erasers, but we don't know how much each one costs. So we put in x. And that will all equal our total, which up here, as you see me underlining, is 19. So I'll pause right there, and we'll just put to the side here. Step 2. Write equation. Now, as I've been doing, let's solve this guy. So I'll switch colors up here. We'll go back to red. Remember, we want to solve for x. So step 3 is subtract 7. Subtract 7. That's a positive 7. So we're going to subtract 7. How do I know that's a positive 7? Well, a magazine costs $7. So it's a positive 7. You know, it's positive. So those cancel out. Let's see. So now I have 3x. Bring him down. It's a pretty terrible arrow. 3x equals 19 minus 7, which is 12. So step 3 was subtract 7. Step 4 was we simplified. So write simplify. Now, let's see. I want to solve for x. That's being multiplied. The opposite of multiplication is division. So step 5. Divide by 3. And now we'll get a total of x equals 4. Because our 3's will cancel. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So x equals 4. But not done yet. While we do have a final answer, we need to think here. What is the problem asking? Well, we want to find the cost of each eraser. And if I just said, oh, x equals 4, that doesn't tell us about the cost of the eraser. I just simply need to write the cost of each eraser is $4. Sound good? And that is my final answer. So that's going to conclude our notes for word problems. I will have the solution up for number 4 here, but I will not be doing the video on number 4. So, thanks for watching, and shoot me emails. I actually posted a Google chat link to Schoology, so click on that, ask me questions, whatever you need to do. Peace.